Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your device and apps actually support the emoji you want. Check the OS version and any emoji font packages. If outdated, install the latest update now. Once done, make sure the application settings allow system emoji rendering rather than custom fallbacks. If you use a custom keyboard or launcher, temporarily switch to the default to isolate the issue. Those first steps tell you whether the problem is missing fonts, old OS, or per app rendering, so you know which path to follow next. Once you've confirmed support, you address rendering conflicts by clearing caches and restarting apps to remove corrupted glyph caches. Reinstall or update any application that still shows broken or blank emojis, because app-specific renderers often ship outdated emoji sets. Make sure messages use UTF-8 and that the sender's Unicode version aligns with yours. Mismatches can produce boxes or question marks. If using web content, force reload with an empty cache. These steps untangle whether the issue is cached. You finish by installing a reliable fallback emoji font or enabling font substitution so missing glyphs render properly. Choose a font that supports the Unicode range you need. Test the fix by sending sample messages from different devices and platforms to confirm consistency. If problems persist, reset relevant display or keyboard settings and reproduce the issue with screenshots and app version details. That will speed up support responses. One key tip: if glyphs still fail, check for corporate profiles or MDM policies blocking font changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.